I'm Massimo Banzi, and I'm working in the innovation department in team. We decided to support this catalyst because it addresses one of the most critical aspects that our business is facing today. I'm talking of the huge amount of data available to CSP and of all the opportunities that 5G network can offer. This network, as you know, are software-based, so they are programmable, and we only need to enable skilled developers to access these capabilities and data in a safe and controlled way, for sure, so that we can allow them to create new services, thus establishing a new generation revenue stream for CSP. This can be achieved using suitable interfaces, the so-called APIs, that allow to access and manage these capabilities. And this is what we are exploring in the Catalyst, how to easily expose a standard API to third-party application developers. To be successful, this requires standardization and a wide adoption of these APIs. But the good news is that this is becoming more compelling throughout our industry, and several standard organizations, among which GSMA and TM Forum, are working together to enable this. A first agreement between Linux Foundation and GSMA led to Camara project, and it was the first phase of this catalyst that paved the way for TM Forum to join GSMA Open Gateway initiative, adding thus the possibility to leverage on a large amount of consolidated TM Forum Open APIs for a more effective and efficient deployment of this full bundle of standard APIs. The challenge continued in TM Forum Asia in the spring of this year, and now we aim to continue to demonstrate how APIs can be effectively used in a real business scenario. In this phase, we've selected a use case that could demonstrate benefit to a wide ecosystem of participants in the Metaverse area now. The ecosystem is composed with a network provider, an event hosting company with their commercial partners, multiple application developers, and finally, end-user consumers. The scenario enables an immersive consumer experience at a large event, in this case, a nice hockey game. The event promoters will be able to offer an uplifted consumer experience enabled by virtual reality goggles that are connected through the 5G network. Attendees will be able to do things like selecting various camera angles from which to view the game, and to shop in a virtual store to buy sweaters or other kind of gadget from their favorite team. The application service provider will build the virtual reality application, and the application will connect to an aggregator system which will interface to the underlying 5G network to obtain capabilities like quality on demand, device location, and to facilitate payments. All this, I repeat, will be enabled by the use of a standard API from various standard organizations. And in Copenhagen, we will demonstrate the resulting immersion user experience in our virtual reality booth. And we'll explain how all this is achieved thanks to the great work done on industry standard APIs from multiple organizations. So, see you soon in Copenhagen.